Horses are magnificent creatures, admired for their strength, grace, and intelligence. While their physical abilities are well documented, their sensory perceptions, especially vision, are equally fascinating. Understanding how horses see the world provides valuable insights into their behavior, training, and care. This video delves into the unique aspects of equine vision and how it influences their interactions with their environment and humans. Point 1. Field of vision. One of the most distinctive features of equine vision is their wide field of view. Horses have large eyes positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them a nearly panoramic field of vision. They can see approximately 350 degrees around them, with only a small blind spot directly in front of their nose and directly behind them. This extensive field of vision is an evolutionary adaptation that helps horses detect predators and other threats, enhancing their chances of survival in the wild. Point 2. Monocular and binocular vision. Horses use both monocular and binocular vision. Monocular vision means that each eye is used independently, allowing horses to see different scenes with each eye. This is beneficial for detecting movement and assessing their surroundings. However, horses also have a narrow area of binocular vision, where their fields of view from both eyes overlap. This area, located directly in front of them, is used for depth perception and judging distances. While horses' binocular vision is not as extensive as humans, it is crucial for activities that require precise depth perception, such as jumping. Point 3. Color vision. For a long time, it was believed that horses were colorblind. However, research has shown that horses can see some colors, but their color vision is not as rich as that of humans. Horses are dichromatic, meaning they have two types of color receptors, cones, in their eyes. They can see shades of blue and green but have difficulty distinguishing between red and certain shades of brown and gray. This limited color vision affects how horses perceive their environment, making it essential for handlers to consider color contrast when designing training aids or course obstacles. Point 4. Night vision. Horses have excellent night vision, which allows them to navigate and forage in low-light conditions. Their large eyes and a high number of rod cells, photoreceptors that work well in dim light, enable them to see better in the dark than humans. The tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer behind the retina, further enhances their night vision by reflecting light that passes through the retina back into their eyes, increasing the available light for vision. This adaptation is beneficial for a prey animal that needs to be vigilant at all times. Point 5. Motion detection. Horses are highly sensitive to motion, a trait that helps them detect predators from a distance. Their monocular vision allows them to see movement on both sides of their bodies simultaneously, making it difficult for predators to approach unnoticed. This sensitivity to movement is also why horses can sometimes be easily spooked by sudden or unfamiliar motions, such as a plastic bag blowing in the wind or a sudden gesture by a person. Point 6. Depth perception. While horses have a broad field of vision, their depth perception is less acute than that of humans. The narrow overlap of their binocular vision limits their ability to judge distances precisely, especially when objects are close to them. This can make activities like jumping more challenging, requiring horses to rely on their experience and training to judge distances correctly. Point 7. Focus and sharpness. Horses see the world differently in terms of focus and sharpness. They have a horizontal band of acute vision, or visual streak, which allows them to detect and track motion across a wide landscape. However, their ability to focus on specific objects is less refined compared to humans. Objects in the periphery may appear blurry, and they may need to move their heads to bring objects into clearer focus. Point 8. Blind spots. Despite their wide field of vision, horses have two significant blind spots, directly in front of their noses and directly behind them. These blind spots are areas where they cannot see and can be sources of surprise or fear if something suddenly appears in these zones. Handlers and riders should approach horses from the side, rather than directly in front or behind to avoid startling them. Point 9. Perception of size and distance. Horses may perceive the size and distance of objects differently from humans. Objects may appear closer or larger than they are, affecting how horses approach obstacles or unfamiliar objects. This perception can influence their reactions and behaviors, making it important for trainers to introduce new elements gradually and from a distance. Point 10. Impact on behavior and training. Understanding how horses see the world is crucial for effective training and handling. Since horses are prey animals, their vision has evolved to prioritize detecting threats, making them more reactive to sudden movements and changes in their environment. Training should account for their visual strengths and limitations, using consistent, calm movements and ensuring that obstacles and aids are easily distinguishable. Conclusion: horses have a unique visual system that profoundly influences their behavior, interactions, and responses to their environment. By understanding how horses see the world, handlers, trainers, and riders can develop more effective, empathetic, and safe approaches to working with these magnificent animals. Taking into account their wide field of vision, sensitivity to motion, and specific visual limitations ensures a better relationship between humans and horses, enhancing both their welfare and the success of training programs. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching.